guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me again, and if you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I went back to CVS for a very quick spend 30 get $10 back, and everything in this video ended up costing me just $2.93 or 42 cents each. And all you need to do this deal is just your phone. I'm going to pick up 3 Oral-B toothbrush on sale for $3.99 each, and I'll pick up 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99 each. To complete this spend 30 deal, I'm going to pick up 2 L'Oreal Elvive Power Restore, originally priced at $14.79, and it's on sale for $4.99 each. This will be my spend 30 get $10 bag. I have a 4 off 20 Crest or Oral-B CRT. The 5 oral care items I picked up total $19.95. And that's within the 98% rule to use the 4 off 20 CRT. And for the coupons I'll use, for the Crest toothpaste, we have a $2 digital coupon. And for the Oral-B toothbrush, we also have a $2 digital coupon. Check your app because we have another 5 off 3 digital coupon that will attach to the remaining 3 items. And for the L'Oreal Elvive, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. The coupons on the CRT will total $17. I don't think I mentioned that the total amount for everything I have here is $29.93, which is also within the 98% rule for the spend 30. After the $17 coupon and CRT come off, it will drop it down to $12.93 and I'll get $10 back. I will make these 7 items just $2.93 or 42 cents each. This transaction went very well. All my coupons came off. The 4 off 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, the $2 for the Crest toothpaste, and the $2 for the Oral-B toothbrush, and the 5 off 3 digital coupon also applied. The 4 off 20 Crest CRT also applied. I ended up using just $12 extra care box to pay for this, paid 93 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $10 extra care box. And that made this transaction a cost of $2.93 or 42 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.